Hey, Benjamin Peng here, coming to you from Queens, New York. And today I'm going to talk about how you can sell more products without ever discounting. So I still remember when I first started my network marketing business, I was so focused on moving products and nobody was actually buying my product. So I was like, okay, why don't I sell my products for 20% off so that more people can buy from me so that I can compete with other distributors. But then over and over, when I do that over and over, I started to lose money because I was putting some money into advertising. So I gotta tell you today, if you want to sell more products and make profit, you can, the number one thing you have to keep in mind is that, you cannot have the mindset of, oh, I'm not going to sell a product today. You cannot focus on that one sale that you're going to generate today. You're going to stress out, right? If there's one day that you cannot sell a product or 1 week, you have no product sales and your upline keep asking you, hey, have you sold any products? And your end of the month quota is coming up. The volume is on a flush at the end of the month. You got to focus on the entire sales. So you're going to focus on the numbers. All right. So that's the number one thing. Having the mindset of not focusing on having a sale today. All right. So second thing is keep doing keep taking the actions, keep showing up, because there's what I call the lead time when you first prospect someone to they actually buy. Right? You will always pitch about host home parties and people will buy a lot of stuff. Right? That is true, but you're leaving a lot of money on the table if you're not following up on your customers, or you're expecting your customer to buy on the spot. Right? That put a lot of pressure on your customer and also on yourself. Like if you don't make a sale, you're disappointed. If they don't buy something, that you feel like you're obligated to pressure them to buy something, right? So you want to focus on following, giving yourself the right expectation, right? No matter you are manually following up, calling them, social media messages, or you have a system online that's gonna generate leads and send up emails. You got to have the right expectations. So give you an example. Right now, my network marketing company, I am generating about 30 leads a day, and I generated no sales, 0 sales in the first 5 days. 5 days, imagine that. So, and on the 5th, 6th, and 7th day, I actually started generating more and more sales, and these people, starting to get to know the product on the first day, they actually started to buy, right? So just imagine that you have to give them some time to actually get familiar, to get comfortable in your product. No matter if it's health and nutrition or financial products, you have to give them time. So the third way is to actually set up a system to automatically generate leads, educate your prospects, and turn them into customers automatically. Okay, so just think about, a lot of people hear this line, and even my upline sometimes, like they hear that I'm using this automated system to generate sales, but the reality is most of us, if not all of us, are buying from system like this. Think about Amazon, right? Did anybody from Amazon call you and say, hey, do you want to buy toilet paper today? Do you want to buy a TV today? No, you show up to Amazon yourself and purchase it, right? So why are we using a different method in our network marketing business? We are just another type of business, right? So how do you set up a system? A very simple one, not as sophisticated as Amazon, simple system so that you can attract prospects to you, and then you can automatically educate them about your product. It's similar to how you're doing your home party, right? You're educating people about your product, and how you can actually turn those prospects into customers using an online automated system. All right, so this is what I teach. I've been focusing on teaching network marketers how to build a business online, not just recruiting, but also generating sales. So I include a free training below or above, and you can check it out. And it's gonna give you a lot of insight. It's basically gonna require 3 steps. First is you're gonna give value, right? If you are teaching people health and nutrition, you're gonna teach them something about how to, let's say, lose weight in, like, let's say lose 7 pounds in 7 days without going to the gym. And the key is that you cannot mention your product name. Because if you mention it, then they have no reason to actually give you their information, because they can go online, go Google to find, to research more of your product. So you just, so focus on educating. And the second step is offer them what I call the prospect information capture page. So it's a very simple one page website that you're gonna have your prospect enter the name and email so that you can send them more information about what you have, right? Usually you're gonna offer a free gift, let's say an entire blueprint of what you, like a recipe on, what you eat in 7 days to lose 10 pounds, right? So they're gonna give you the email. Now, the third thing you need is that you need a way to actually send them emails automatically, right? Because otherwise, you will have to manually send out all these emails if they keep coming, into your system, and you don't want that. So there are a lot of autoresponder. That's what we call autoresponder. That's gonna send automatic emails to these prospects, and it's very simple. So you're gonna educate them about your product, because now they give you the information. You can tell them more about your product or your business, right? So 3 things you need, right? You need to give value, probably on social media, right? Similar to what I'm doing now. Second thing is a very simple website, and third is an automated email system. All right, so very simple. So just hop onto the training above or below, and just grab the training and understand how you can actually do it for your business to generate that sales without stressing about when are you gonna get a customers, without the stress of going to the end of the month and your volume is gonna flush away, right? So that is it for me today. Hey Sunny, how's it going? Hey Brandy, yes. So definitely, if you have any questions, definitely comment below so I can answer back. And that's it for me today, and I will see you tomorrow.